Alright, we'll try this again one more time. So I'm back. Everything went great. It was warm. It was 100, over 100, 90s at night. But hey, we went sightseeing. It was good. All the rigs did fine. So just in time, I'm home just in time for oil change. You know, these trucks come with that oil light, so that's on. So I went and got some oil and stuff. Also a good time to check the truck out. I mean, I washed it yesterday. But I noticed something squeaking, and there it is right there. I've been trying to tighten it up, but I can't get in there to access the stupid screws. Not rattling, this was squeaking, but since I bent it trying to get to the screws, which are down in there, I'm going to have to pull the bumper off. Yeah, we had the Ron and his 79 Ford F-150 4x4 classic truck. And Danny came out. Now if you've seen one of the older videos, he's driving a Jeep across Afton Canyon, across the water crossing there. That was Danny and his Jeep. Unfortunately, he had an accident and the Jeep was totaled. So now he found himself a Land Cruiser. Pretty nice. He's got it all decked out already. And yeah, so it was just three of us out there because we wanted to keep this run small since things are closed and stay at home and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned, I'll be posting that up. Well guys, you know, if you don't know anything about winches, there's a few things you gotta know when it comes to the quality of the winch. This is a Smitty built, actually made by T-Max, China stuff. It works. It's advertised at, what, 10,000 pounds, but will it do 10,000 pounds? Specs or ratings on these things. Yeah, there's stall, and there's line speed, and there's, so if all that works according to specs, you know, it's supposed to stall out at a certain pounds. We're guaranteed to go, you know, that 10,000 pound rating it says. Who tests this stuff? What about the wire? Is that going to hold up? Is the hardware going to hold up? Is it going to be real slow? Is it going to draw a lot of power and drain your battery real quick? Just something to think about. That's why, you know, a quality winch is going to cost you a little more money, but it depends on how many times you use it. If you use it a lot, you might want to buy a quality winch. I'm using one of these just for emergencies. No need to put synthetic rope on there. This will last forever if you treat it right. Wind it up. Don't let it get all bent up. Here's another thing to look for. See the brackets? This is the bracket that broke. See how tiny that is? How thin? This one's still good. I have two on there like that. And they mount on like that off the motor here. But that's it. This has a little weight to it, you know, so you're bouncing around. This thing is constantly flexing like that. And so eventually it broke. You know, on my Super Duty, I actually moved the control box here, solenoid box, whatever you want to call it, up here, or I think over here on this side. Put some longer cables on there, right? Put it wherever you want. It might work, but I got my light bar up here up front. Alright, so this is where this is going to go, I think. Screwed it straight into the front of the bumper here. Low enough, hopefully it clears the light bar. This box could move back now that I got the light on there. Oh man. So that should be fairly easy, I think. $7:30. Do a little night traveling, right? To Death Valley Road is really quiet. I can't believe how quiet it is. But we got a few miles to go. We're gonna go check out the cabin. Should be anybody out there, right?